Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the secure folder, PIN or password, or a pattern lock on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On your home screen, swipe up and tap on secure folder in the app screen. Next, tap on the option key at the top here, and from the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, tap on lock type. Now you need to put in the current PIN or password. Once you're in here, you can tap on say PIN and you can set a new PIN. For example, I put 44 and tap on continued, and I'll put in the same PIN again to confirm. And that's it. So that's how you can change the PIN or password for your secure folder. So if you want to use the pattern lock, you choose pattern and tap on continue. So we draw a pattern again to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.